Welcome back to Investment Edge, your go-to source for all things finance and wealth building. Today, we're diving into the future of investment. In a world where technology is constantly advancing, have you ever wondered how to leverage it to supercharge your financial growth? Well, the wait is over, because in 2023 we're introducing you to some game-changing investment apps that are completely revolutionizing the game. So grab your smartphones and join us as we explore these financial disruptors that put the power of wealth creation right in your pocket. As technology continues to advance, everyday processes evolve, and with the growing shift to online platforms, it's only natural that your investment strategy should follow suit. In the year 2023, you have the power to manage all your financial needs directly from your smartphone. We've curated a list of innovative apps that are fundamentally changing the landscape of investment. First, unlock a free stock valued between $5 and $200. Robinhood stands as an exceptional choice for both novices and experienced investors. With Robinhood, you can buy and trade stocks, options, and more without incurring any commission fees. There are no account minimums or maintenance charges. In addition, they sweeten the deal by gifting you a free stock from companies like Apple, Sprint, or Ford. Sign up using the link below, and once your brokerage application is approved, Robinhood will add a free share of stock to your account, valued between $5 to $200. Unlocking a free stock valued between $5 and $200 is just one of the many advantages offered by the Robinhood investment platform. Whether you're new to the world of investing or a seasoned pro, Robinhood presents an exceptional choice that can transform your financial journey. What sets Robinhood apart is its commitment to making investing accessible to everyone. In an era where fees and charges can often erode your potential gains, Robinhood steps in with a refreshing approach. When you join this platform, you'll discover that buying and trading stocks, options, and a plethora of other investment instruments is not burdened by commission fees. That's right, with Robinhood, you can trade without worrying about those extra costs eating into your profits. But that's not all. Robinhood takes the user-friendly experience further. It proudly waves goodbye to account minimums and maintenance charges. This means that regardless of your investment capital or experience level, you can dive into the world of finance with no prerequisites. It's a welcoming environment where your financial goals can flourish without unnecessary restrictions. Now let's talk about the cherry on top. When you sign up for Robinhood through the link provided below and your brokerage application is approved, they add an exciting twist to your journey. They'll gift you a free share of stock, and the best part is that its value can range from $5 to $200. That's like a bonus just for choosing to grow your wealth with Robinhood. So why wait? Don't miss this opportunity. Sign up for Robinhood now through the link and embark on your investment journey with the promise of free stocks and a commission-free, accessible world of financial possibilities. Your financial future is just a click away. Second, generate passive income through rental property shares. Generating a steady stream of passive income is a financial dream many of us aspire to achieve. Enter Ark7, an innovative platform that's rewriting the playbook on wealth accumulation. Ark7 brings an entirely new perspective to the table when it comes to building your financial portfolio. What makes it stand out is its ingenious approach to investing in professionally managed rental properties. And the best part, you don't need to have the financial muscle to purchase an entire property yourself. Here's how it works. When you sign up for Ark7, you're instantly granted access to a curated selection of professionally managed rental properties. These are properties that have been meticulously chosen to ensure the best possible returns for investors like you. What's more, the sign-up process is not only straightforward, but also absolutely free, so there's no initial commitment on your part. Once you've entered this realm of opportunities, you have the freedom to browse through the list of available properties. Take your time to scrutinize and select the ones that align with your investment goals and preferences. You'll find that the minimum investment requirement is as low as $20. Yes, you read that correctly. You can own a share of a professionally managed rental property for just $20, which significantly lowers the barrier to entry for real estate investment. The beauty of Ark7 lies in its scalability. The more you invest, the greater your earning potential becomes. As your investment portfolio grows, so does the passive income you can potentially generate. It's a unique opportunity for financial growth that can adapt to your aspirations and means. But let's talk numbers. Ark7 investors have enjoyed a track record of annualized distributions reaching 5% or more from monthly income alone. In an era of financial uncertainty and fluctuating markets, this is an impressive return on investment. These distributions, if applicable to your chosen properties, are delivered straight into your account on a monthly basis, making Ark7 a reliable source of passive income. So, whether you're looking to diversify your investment strategy, explore real estate opportunities without the need for large capital, or simply aim to grow your passive income, Ark7 provides an ingenious way to achieve these goals. Your path to building wealth through professionally managed rental properties has never been this accessible or rewarding. Don't miss out on this chance to join the ranks of Ark7 investors and potentially earn substantial annualized distributions. Your financial future could be just a few clicks away. Third, receive up to 10K when transferring your brokerage account to Public. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of investment with Public? This innovative platform is poised to transform the way you think about building wealth, and the rewards are substantial. Public is your gateway to a revolutionary method of investing through fractional shares. This means you can become a shareholder in some of the world's most renowned and expensive companies, including giants like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Nike, and Google. The game changer here is that you can start this journey with as little as $1. That's right, you don't need a substantial sum of money to join the ranks of investors in these tech and retail behemoths. The ability to purchase fractional shares is more than just a cost-effective approach. It's a path to financial empowerment. By investing with smaller amounts, you can gradually build your wealth without the need for significant capital upfront. This democratization of investing levels the playing field, ensuring that opportunities for financial growth are within reach for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. But that's not all. Public has a special bonus in store for you. When you decide to take your investing journey to the next level and transfer your brokerage account to public.com, you'll be eligible for an enticing reward up to $10,000. This is not just a cashback offer, it's an acknowledgement of your commitment to expanding your financial horizons. It's a generous incentive to encourage you to experience the wealth-building potential that Public has to offer. Furthermore, with Public, you're not only securing financial gains, you're also cultivating a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investment strategy, and Public empowers you to achieve this by allowing you to invest in fractional shares of various companies. This not only minimizes risk but also provides you with the means to explore a broad spectrum of industries and sectors, further enhancing your investment prowess. Fourth, get up to $1,000 in stock when you open and fund an account with $10. Imagine the excitement of opening an investment account and, with a mere $10 in funding, unlocking the door to an enticing windfall of up to $1,000 in stock. This enticing proposition comes courtesy of SoFi Active Invest, a pioneering platform that's rewriting the rules of wealth creation. SoFi Active Invest adopts a philosophy similar to the fractional shares approach we've seen gaining traction in the investment world. This novel method democratizes investing, allowing you to own a portion of major companies with as little as $5. You no longer need to grapple with the notion that you must amass a substantial capital sum to dip your toes into the world of major corporations like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Nike, and Google. SoFi Active Invest has lowered the financial barrier to entry, making it accessible to anyone with a modest investment budget. Now let's dive deeper into the exciting part. When you make the smart choice to open and fund an active invest account with a minimal $10, SoFi doesn't just recognize your commitment, it rewards you handsomely. This generous platform is prepared to grant you up to $1,000 in stock, a sign of their appreciation for your decision to kickstart your wealth-building journey with them. It's not merely an incentive, it's a declaration of SoFi Active Invest's commitment to your financial success. By offering this enticing bonus, they're showing you the potential of what can be achieved when you venture into the world of investment. With that extra stock value, you can set yourself up for a significant head start and open the doors to greater financial growth. Fifth, invest in Apple, Tesla, or Amazon for just $1. Picture this, an investment opportunity where you can become a shareholder in global juggernauts like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon for just $1. This seemingly too good to be true scenario is the reality that Stash, an exceptional platform for budding investors, offers in the world of finance. Stash is a game changer for those looking to dip their toes into the investment waters. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with limited funds, Stash welcomes you with open arms. One of its standout features is the ability to invest in fractional shares of renowned companies such as Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. This means that with as little as $1, you can own a piece of these giant corporations, bypassing the need for substantial capital. It's the epitome of financial inclusivity, making it possible for everyone to participate in the stock market, regardless of their initial budget. But Stash doesn't stop at just enabling investment. It's also a robust resource for individuals contemplating their retirement savings. Stash offers you the option to invest in an individual retirement account, IRA, a specialized account that comes with significant tax benefits. This means that while you're building your wealth, you're also securing your financial future in a tax-efficient manner, making it an ideal choice for those looking ahead to retirement. In addition to this, Stash takes your investment journey to the next level by providing invaluable tools and guidance. Investing can be a daunting prospect for beginners, but Stash makes it user-friendly and educational. The platform offers insights, advice, and recommendations to help you make informed investment choices, ensuring that you're not just investing, but investing wisely. As a bonus, Stash will add $20 to your first investment after you sign up and deposit $5 or more into your personal portfolio. Sixth, prepare for market volatility by diversifying with gold. Lear Capital, a reputable precious metals dealer with a 25-year track record, specializes in precious metals IRAs. Diversifying with gold can help protect your retirement funds, especially during market fluctuations. Lear Capital simplifies the process of transferring funds from your existing retirement account into a precious metal IRA, and they offer a 24-hour risk-free purchase guarantee. Request a free Precious Metals Investor Kit to discover how diversifying with gold can provide stability in the face of rising interest rates, an unpredictable dollar, and volatile stock markets. Seventh, secure a 1% match on retirement contributions with Robinhood Retirement. Robinhood Retirement offers a 1% match on your retirement contributions, even without a traditional employer. You have the flexibility to choose between a Roth IRA for tax-deferred growth potential or a traditional IRA for tax-free contributions. To claim your 1% match, simply open an account, add funds, and every dollar you contribute will receive a 1% match, with no changes to the annual match. 8. Enhance your investment strategy with AI assistance. Magnifi presents an innovative solution that combines expert guidance with the cost-effectiveness of self-management. For $14 per month, you gain access to an AI-powered investment assistant that provides personalized recommendations and on-demand analysis. There are no minimum investment requirements and trades are commission-free. Magnifi also offers integration with other investment apps like Robinhood and Stash for a seamless investing experience. And that's a wrap on our journey through the exciting world of next-gen investments. We hope you're as inspired as we are by the possibilities these apps open up for your financial future. Remember, the year is 2023, and the landscape of investment is changing faster than ever before. Don't miss out on the chance to make your money work for you, and be sure to subscribe for more insights, tips, and exclusive content on growing your wealth. Thank you for tuning in to Investment Edge. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested, and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching.